In this video, we're going to show you how to pair and set up your phone's factory Acura Bluetooth as well as wireless CarPlay with the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. This is for the 2015 to 2018 Acura TLX. There's a lot of really specific details in this video, so please watch it carefully to the end. We're also going to have a help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com, where you can easily see all of the steps that we describe in this video. All right, let's dive in and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. I'll show you now how to pair and set up CarPlay and the audio. It's important that you watch all of these steps very closely as these are really important details. This is what it'll look like when you first get in the car. You'll see your factory Acura screen. Long holding the back button here or the voice speech button on your steering wheel will allow you to switch between the original Acura system and the new Hamilton system. Let's go ahead and switch now to the Hamilton operating system. Here it is. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system where we can control settings below and before CarPlay or Android Auto. Use your wheel. Let's come to Settings, System. And on this device, we're going to be using the Acura's original Bluetooth. So make sure this setting called Use Car's Bluetooth channel is turned on. If it's on, you're good to go. If it's off, you can touch it to turn it on now with the wheel. We'll go back here to the Hamilton home screen. And now let's hold that back button for 3 seconds. If your phone has never been paired to the Acura factory system, I'll show you how to pair it now. We'll touch settings here, and then we'll come here to Bluetooth/phone settings. Make sure Bluetooth is on, and then let's go to Bluetooth device list. You can see our device list is currently full. So we'll come here to Robert's iPhone, and let's do replace this device. Yes, let's replace it. We'll touch OK. Now go ahead and open up your iPhone, open up settings, and then the Bluetooth setting. Now you don't need to touch anything from your iPhone, but it's good to monitor it from here. The car is currently searching for the iPhone. When it finds it, we'll go ahead and hit enter over the phone. Go ahead and click pair on the phone and allow contacts and favorites. Now wait here and don't touch anything for about 30 seconds while the Acura pairs to the phone. You can see how this starts to change and all this information populates once the Acura is paired to the iPhone. And it will automatically return to your Bluetooth device list on the Acura. We'll come back to the home screen now. We can select here as a source, Bluetooth audio. With your iPhone now paired to the factory Acura Bluetooth, we're going to come back to settings, Bluetooth settings, and we're going to temporarily turn Bluetooth from on to off. This will allow us to establish a connection for the first time with the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. Let's long hold the back button. We'll come to the Hamilton underlying operating system, pull out your iPhone, open up settings, Bluetooth. We'll turn your Bluetooth off and back on, and you'll locate a device starting with Hamilton. Go ahead and touch it. When the pairing code pops up, click pair. Click allow to contacts and favorites. And if you see a blue button that says connect to CarPlay, click connect. Just like that, we'll click allow for CarPlay to check for apps. There is wireless CarPlay. Let's long hold that back button. We'll turn Bluetooth back on from the factory Acura system. Here we are in CarPlay, and now the Acura has grabbed the phone's Bluetooth for audio. Hamilton has taken over the phone's wireless connection for CarPlay, and we're in business and ready to go. If you ever need to repeat that process, you can do it just like that. You can forget the Hamilton device, turn your factory Bluetooth off, pair it to Hamilton, and turn that factory Bluetooth back on. It's best to turn that factory Bluetooth off on these newer Acuras while you're pairing to Hamilton, because we find that factory Bluetooth sometimes grabs the phone so quickly that it doesn't give it the chance to connect to the Hamilton CarPlay. Here's the thing. CarPlay initiates with Bluetooth, and then it takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. This is from Apple and not from Hamilton. What this means is if we pull out our iPhone, swipe down from the control center, you can see that Wi-Fi icon. It has turned white. If you ever want to disconnect CarPlay from your iPhone, touch that Wi-Fi icon and it'll prompt you, do you want to disconnect CarPlay? You would then need to turn your Bluetooth off to keep it from reconnecting. You can see, let's go ahead and disconnect it, but we'll leave Bluetooth on. After about 30 seconds, the Hamilton device will automatically grab and pair to your phone. See it happening now. And wireless CarPlay will return to the screen with no actions needed. We're going to have full details available with some written instructions on our help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. It's very important for you to be fully familiar with this process so you can understand how to best use your Hamilton upgrade kit. I always recommend for folks to watch this video very closely, bookmark it, and also check out that help center. If you have any questions, we have customer service based in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're only a call away at 919-858-2890. At any time, once your phone is paired, you can easily switch back and forth to that factory Acura system where your factory features remain. If you have any questions, we're here to help and we appreciate your business. Make sure to check out our installation video.